Hello students, in this video we will learn two things. The first one is to find algebraic expression of a pattern and the second one is to find a particular term in a pattern. So there is one formula which will help us to find both the algebraic expression and a particular term in a pattern. Remember, this formula is applicable only for linear patterns. So linear patterns means the difference between any two consecutive terms should be the same. Only then we can apply this formula to find the algebraic expression and to find a particular term in a pattern. So let me start by explaining you the formula. So this is the formula which will help us to find the algebraic expression of a pattern and to find a particular term in a pattern. So how will we read this formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where Tn is the nth term of the pattern. For example, if you are asked to find the fifth term of the pattern, the value of n here will be 5. So we will write as T5. So T5, so n will be replaced by 5. For example, we are asked to find the 10th term of the pattern, the value of n will become 10. So we will write T10 and here the n will be replaced by 10. To find the 100th term, n will be replaced by 100 in both these places. So the value of n will come from the question asked. And A is the first term of the pattern. For example, if I have a pattern 2, 6, 10, 14. So this is the pattern. A is the first term of the pattern. So in this example, A, the value of A is the first term of the pattern. So which is the first term of the pattern? This is the first term of the pattern. So the value of A for this pattern will be 2. And D is the difference between two consecutive terms. So since it is a linear pattern, we will have the difference between any two consecutive terms as the same. So if you look here, the difference is 4. 6 and 2, the difference is 4. 10 and 6, the difference is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So the difference here is 4. So the value of D for this pattern is 4. So we learnt what is A, what is D and what is N. So N will be the number which is asked in the question. For example, find the 20th term. N will become 20. So now for the same question, if I am asked to find the 20th term, so the value of n here will be 20. So this is how we will find the values. So Tn means nth term of the pattern. And what are we supposed to find here? 20th term means T20 is how much? Find the 20th term. This is the meaning of Tn. Nth term of the pattern. A is the first term of the pattern and D is the difference between two consecutive terms. So this formula is applied for both algebraic expression and particular term. So first let us try to apply this formula to find the algebraic expression. So here I have an example where I am given a pattern. And the question is, find the algebraic expression of the given pattern. From the word algebraic expression, there will be variables involved in this. So let's use the formula. Now the formula used is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here for this algebraic expression, the variable will be n. So we know only the values of a and d. We don't know the value of n. So the answer will be in terms of n. This is the algebraic expression. So Tn is equal to a. What is a from the given question? A is the first term. We learnt from the formula's description, a is the first term of the pattern. So what is the first term of the pattern? A is equal to 4. And what is d? D is the difference between any two consecutive terms. Check whether it is a linear pattern. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. The difference is uniform. So it is a linear pattern. So what is the difference? 13 minus 10 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the difference is 3. So the value of A is 4. We don't know the value of n. N will be n only in the algebraic expression. It has no value because we are asked to find the algebraic expression. And D is 3. So 4 plus, when we simplify it, 3 into n becomes 3n minus 3 into 1 becomes 3. So minus into plus is minus, 3 ones are 3. Now we have 4 minus 3 equal to plus 1 and we have a 3n. So the algebraic expression for this pattern is 3n plus 1. Now from this algebraic expression, if the question is form the pattern from the algebraic expression. So if the question is form the pattern from the algebraic expression 3n plus 1. If this is the question. Now we are given the algebraic expression and we are asked to form the pattern. So what is given? 3n plus 1 is given and we are asked to find the pattern. So we have to find at least 3-4 numbers. The first 4 numbers or the first 3 numbers in the pattern. So here to find the first number in the pattern, n will take the value 1. So 3 instead of n, 1 plus 1. So 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. To find the second number in the pattern, n will take the value 2. So n is the number which indicates the position. So the second number. So instead, to find the second number, instead of n we will put 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. When n is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. When n is equal to 4, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 which is 13. So what did we do? We just replaced n using 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we got 4 numbers. These are the first 4 numbers of this pattern. So the pattern is 4, 7, 10, 13 and it goes on. To find the next number we will have to put n is equal to 5. So this is how when see, now look here, we got the same series 4, 7, 10, 13. So when a pattern is given and the algebraic expression is to be found, apply this formula, find out the value of A and the value of D, simplify it and you will get a expression in terms of n. That is the algebraic expression of the given pattern. So this is the algebraic expression. Now vice versa, if the algebraic expression is given and the pattern is to be found, like in this question, we were given algebraic expression and we were asked to form the pattern. So we will replace n using 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. How many ever values you want to find, you can find. I find at least 3 to 4 values. So first I put n is equal to 1, I got 4. N is equal to 2, 7. N is equal to 3, the answer was 10. N is equal to 4, the value we got was 13. So 4, 7, 10, 13 are the numbers in this pattern. So we learnt now how to form the algebraic expression from the given pattern and how to form the pattern from the given algebraic expression. Next we will find how to find a particular term in a pattern. So here I am referring to the example only. Now in this series I am asked to find the 20th term. So to find the 20th term, I will use the same formula. So to find a particular term means here the particular term to be found here is 20th term. So now I am going to show you an example of term in a pattern. So to find a particular term in a pattern. So I have a pattern here. I am asked to find the 20th term. So this 20th term refers to this particular. So what is the particular term we are going to find? We are going to find the 20th term. So Tn, the same formula we will use. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We are given A. A is equal to the first term, which is 2. D is equal to the difference between two consecutive terms. So the difference is 4. And we are given the value of n in the question. So particular term, 20th term, we are supposed to find. So T20, I already told you, you should replace n using 20. So n is equal to 20. If you are asked to find the 100th term, n will become 100. If we are asked to find the 50th term, n will become 50. So now we are asked to find the 20th term. T20 is equal to 2 plus n. N is 20 minus 1 into D. So what is D? 4. So 2 plus 19 into 4. 2 plus 76. So 2 plus 76 is 78. So the 20th term of this pattern is 78. So the same formula which we found for finding the algebraic expression is used here. The only difference is there we will not apply the value of n. N will be n only. Here we will replace n using the number given in the question. So to find the 20th term, we replaced n using 20. So when n was replaced by 20, the value which we got was 78. So 78 is the 20th term of this pattern. So if we know the algebraic expression, we can find the particular number by replacing the value of n in that algebraic expression. So in this series 4, 7, 10, 13, if we are asked to find the 100th term, instead of n in the algebraic expression, if we give 100, so 3 into 100 is 300, 300 plus 1 is 301. So the 100th term of this series is 301. So n should be replaced by the number given in the question to find the particular term. Here we will look into another example. So here I am given a pattern here 8, 13, 18, 23 and it goes on. The first question is to find the algebraic expression of the pattern. And the second question is to find the 41st and 42nd term of the pattern. So we have to find T41 and T42. So if we know the algebraic expression, and in that algebraic expression, if we replace n using 41 and n using 42, we will get the 41st and 42nd term. So let's start finding out the algebraic expression. The question number A. So I am given a pattern where the first term A is equal to 8 and the difference. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. So check the difference between any two consecutive terms. 23 minus 18 is 5, 18 minus 13 is 5, 13 minus 8 is 5. So the difference here is 5. Now to find the algebraic expression, the formula I will use is Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So since we are finding algebraic expression, n will not have any value. N will be n. A is 8, n is the same, D is 5. So 8 plus 5n minus 5. 5 into n is 5n, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So 5n and 8 minus 5 gives me plus 3. So this is the algebraic expression of this pattern 8, 13, 18, 23. Next we are asked to find the 41st and 42nd. So the same formula, the only difference is n is replaced using 41 and 42. So to find the 41st term T41, we will replace n. We already know the algebraic expression. Otherwise we can do from the beginning. Instead of A, put 8. Instead of n, put 41. Instead of D, put 5. The same thing we will do. We already did all this and we got the algebraic expression. If we know the algebraic expression, instead of n, put down the value which is given in the question. So to find the 41st term, n will be replaced using 41. So the answer is 208. So for this series, the 41st term is 208. To find the 42nd term, n will be replaced by 42 in the algebraic expression. So if you know the algebraic expression, just replace the value of n with the value given in the question. So n will be replaced by 42. 5 into 42 plus 3. So the value is 213. 5 into 42 is 210 plus 3. 210 plus 3 is 213. So from the algebraic expression, we found the particular term by replacing n using the value given in the question. So to find the 100th term, we will find 5 into 100 plus 3. So 500 plus 3, which is 503. So algebraic expression and particular term. Here we found the particular term 41 and the particular term 42. We will use the same formula. Replace n in the algebraic expression with the value given in the question to find the particular term. So in the next video, we will learn how to find the sum of the numbers in a given pattern.